The bar underhand grip pull-up is a great way to develop upper body strength. It focuses a little bit more on the arms than an overhand grip, which you can get a little bit more lat work. They'll both work the lats, they both work the arms. It's good to develop both. Usually if I'm doing pull-ups twice a week, I like to mix it up. I might do overhand one day, underhand the other day, or parallel grip another day, or rings on the other day. That way I'm getting a diversity of different grips. So here we've just got a support here to get up, to get the foot in the band for the first one, first variation. Now I've got it up nice and high so it's easy to get the foot in, because a lot of the times if people are struggling to get their leg in, that's an issue. And get a nice grip, traction out. So here I've got the band under full stretch, so it's giving me a lot of help. Coming up, pause at the top. Now, when I come down, I let the band stay at the length that it was at when I was at the top of the pull-up. That way, I know how much band assistance I'm getting to perform the pull-up. So ideally you use enough band help to get some decent amount of reps, so 5 to 8 when you're starting out. If you're going too lower reps with these, you're probably better off working with eccentrics. But to say that, some people, you might not have enough band help to do that. So that might be all you can get to get started, to get those dynamic reps. So the bands work great to get a bit more volume. And even when you can do, say, 5, 8 pull-ups, there's still a useful tool to hit those higher rep pull-ups. So eccentric pull-ups, great way to get your first pull-up and just develop good control in the pull-up, even if you can do a couple. The trick is to get a good position. You might use a spot so you can get up nice and high, and then controlling that descent, coming down as slow as you can. Ideally 7 seconds for 3 reps is a great place to start to build up to before you try and do your first concentric rep to come up. Now, a progression on that is to do the isometric hold at the top, build up to a 5-second hold there, come down halfway, 5-second hold there, then hit the dead hang. 3 of those, you're pretty much guaranteed you're going to get that first pull-up. You're going to have enough strength in the connective tissue, in the muscle there to be able to support the pull-up, and that way you've got a good foundation. After that, you're just going into full pull-ups, getting that nice dead hang using the stretch at the bottom. Hit that dead hang so it opens up the shoulder, big breath in, hold, pull, and then control on the way down. Usually I like people to work up to around 12 pull-ups before they start doing loaded pull-ups with extra weight or doing one-arm variations. I just find it's a great platform to develop all that connective tissue strength before you go too hard. Just slowing the reps down, getting really good control. Much better off doing that than rushing into more advanced pull-up variations.